Okay, what we have here today, beneath this cloth, is one of the smallest birds known to man. Not only is it one of the smallest birds in the entire universe, it's a magical bird. And the bird's name is Georgette. Say hello to everyone, Georgette. Okay, calm down. So what Georgette is going to do for us today is help us find your selected card. We have a regular deck of cards. We'll give them a mix. Since we don't have a spectator here, we're just going to take one out randomly in the middle of the deck. Take a look at it. Don't you look at it, Georgette. Don't look. Okay. That card back into the center. Some more mix. Okay. Are you ready, Georgette? Sounds like a yes. Here we go. Without further ado. Is that your card? I hope it's your card. Alright. Give Georgette a round of applause. Thank you for looking. See you next time.